Freedom? Imagine it. Your ideas, your projects, taking off with a connectivity solution that lives up to your ambitions and specific needs and takes away the usual constraints. 5 years of intense research and development. More than 100 prototypes created and tested to bring you the multiple award-winning Freedom. Unequaled reliability for interconnected data and power transmission. Unprecedented integration capabilities with a new, easy-to-use mating technology and optimized cable management. It's wearable and it's efficient under any conditions. There's a lot to say. But most importantly, Freedom was designed for any device or wearable to act, design, innovate according to your needs and in response to your requirements. This is more than just a connector product line. It's an entire technology platform that paves the way to the new definition of freedom. Yours.